Dill has been used for many generations, not only to add flavor and taste to different recipes around the world, but also for its incredibly wide-ranging medicinal properties. These medicinal properties come from its wealth of flavonoids, amino acids, and kaempferol. This makes dill great for naturally boosting our immune system, aiding in proper digestion, and reducing inflammation found throughout the body. Now, let's discuss some of the incredible health benefits of consuming dill regularly. First, dill is incredibly nutrient dense. Just a small amount of this herb can go a long way in providing your body with many different healthy vitamins, minerals, and other health-promoting compounds. Dill is a great source of nutrients such as calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6, among many others. It is also a great source of dietary fiber, antioxidants, and even contains some protein. Consuming dill can also help to promote proper digestion and reduce unwanted digestive ailments. This is often attributed to the specific essential oils found in dill that work to both stimulate and activate the secretion of digestive juices and bile. This can help to promote regular bowel movements, increase nutrient uptake from the healthy foods we eat, and relieve digestive disorders such as constipation, diarrhea, and excess gas. Dill can also help to maintain overall bone health and prevent certain bone disorders, especially as we get older. This herb contains many vital bone-related nutrients, such as calcium, magnesium, and iron in high amounts, which are important for protecting our bones from bone loss. As well, dill can help to prevent the loss of bone mineral density and prevent bone-related ailments such as osteoporosis. Surprising to some, but consuming dill regularly can help to prevent insomnia and even promote a proper night's sleep. Dill contains powerful and unique essential oils that can help to promote sleep. It contains both flavonoids and B vitamins in these essential oils that leads to the secretion of enzymes and hormones that can create a calming effect before going to sleep. Lastly, consuming dill regularly can help to promote the overall health of our gums and teeth and promote overall oral care. Dill is well known for being a great breath freshener. In addition to fresh breath, the essential oils and compounds in dill have disinfectant and germicidal properties, which can help to limit microbial infections in the mouth. Also, the high levels of antioxidants can help remove free radicals that can cause damage to the teeth and gums. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.